Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now, as usual, let's turn to the gold market. On the gold market, you can see that the rally up is continuing. So, market stands in some retracement action. Recent comments from the traders suggest that many traders also think that this rally is a very good opportunity to sell on the gold market, and they also point approximately at the same potential points that this rally could reach. That scenario around 1245, maybe 1250, somewhere in this area. What we could say, guys, despite on this rally and on this recent minutes protocol from the Fed, guys, I have to say you that the SPDR fund storages has fell for another 5-6 tons on this current week, and this still tells us that there is no real purchases around. This makes us treat this action as the speculative reaction on the rumors on the recent data, and not the reversal and not the action that has been triggered by significant purchases on the real market. Not just a retracement. From that perspective, guys, as we said yesterday and mentioned this pattern, in the short-term perspective, we will be watching for possible brand body sell, because we have thrust down, close above the 3x3, that was the first close. Second, market already has hit the significant resistance level. But as we said, gold market likes to show deep retracements. And that's why our major level to watch for stands approximately 1240, maybe slightly higher, because that will be the monthly pivot point that has been tested yet by the gold, and market will gravitate to this area. That will be also, guys, the daily overbought. And also that will be the 50% resistance. And that the level, 1240 approximately, that we will be watching for a potential sell opportunity based on this broader brand and body. Also, guys, as we have definite long-term view and would suggest that market will not drop behind these significant lows, we suggest that this brand body could lead market not just to the normal target of the brand body, 618 retracement of this action, but the brand body could be the starting point right to the road on the vanishing of the stops around 1180s. That's our suggestion. And initially we will keep an eye on this opportunity. If we will take a look at the intraday charts on the forward time frame chart, here we have a couple of patterns that suggest approximately the same targets. So we have already discussed the situation around this previous range. So you can see market has returned right back above it. Yesterday we said as market has returned right back up inside of this range, it will reach the opposite border, and that has happened. So you can see market has reached it, retested this lower border, and continue to move up. Right now it has hit the upper border. Simultaneously it has created some sort of maybe head and shoulders or something of that sort. Anyway, by this action we've got this steep ABCD action, ABCD pattern that points approximately 1244 area. That we have discussed on the daily chart. Scenario around monthly pivot point. The mass around this range points on a bit high target, approximately 1249, 1250. Anyway, that scenario that we will be watching for, potential reversal and potential start of the brand body sell on the daily chart. So you can see this setup on the gold market is rather promising and looks very attractive and interesting. And what another advantage of this setup is that it's really clear. It's easily we could understand this, and it really looks very clear. That's why it's very attractive. So let's see what will happen. But I suggest that it's very probable that brand body maybe will start already on the next week, and on the current week day tomorrow, market probably will spend time on the reaching of this area and to form something reversal around this area. At least currently I count on this action, and gold market right now is really very attractive for trading, and in the short term and maybe in the medium term perspective, since as we said, we still expect to clear out of these lows.